Hey, it's Merritt with Apteros Trading here. How did crude oil play out today relative to the prep, the daily market insight that we put out? There's no hiding when you nail it. When you don't, it's all time stamped here. So, coming into the open, what did we talk about? A couple scenarios. We'll quickly recap what we had said earlier. We thought that this was key, that we had rejected, even though we didn't quite touch it, the bearish level. And that was our primary as a short-term trader focus. We were bearish as long as that level holds. We did have a longer-term bullish inflection, a confluent one, to watch out for below. If we could hold below 71.30s, this bullish level, that would be very bearish in our minds, with multiple dollars of downside. Not necessarily has to complete today, but that's the view, as long as that continues to be true. One early scenario was a potential pullback to this neutral dash level here, 71.93.94, to find sellers and complete this move at least down into here, see what happens. Obviously, the bearish inflection here, we're bearish below as long as that holds. And then a bullish opportunity if we're able to push above 72.30s into the 72.40s plus, and then that would create upside opportunity. How did it play out? Off the open, we rallied. We did not hold below 71.94 here. Okay, so that's not a trade opportunity. There were no sellers that showed up from there. We pushed all the way up to the bearish inflection. We do find sellers. So right here is where the market tells us something. We came up to a bearish inflection. We found sellers. Now we know what trade we're looking for. And intraday, for us NADRO-based traders using intraday VWAP and things like that, this is a place to short. This is the same exact trade. This is an even better trade, all from the same intraday trade location. So that's where we got involved. Sellers picked up. You either exit out into here if you have a just a resting limit order, or you see how the inflection plays out based on the tape and whatnot, and the sellers slammed it through here. Massive delta on the tape as we press through here. Guess what? That's a scenario we talked about. Can we break through here and hold and find sellers? Absolutely. Here's our next opportunity. And it was a beautiful move. Didn't quite get to our next key areas, but I mean, heck of a move there. Certainly some big time profits to be booked along the way there. If you did hold into the close or near it, I'd probably get out somewhere around here if you were really looking to hold this, because to me, this little stabilization right here is where everything definitely is over in terms of downside for the day. So we should have been able to hold either here or here and couldn't, so it was over there. Regardless, beautiful opportunities, a really nice session.